The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur. When we imagine a secret agent, we usually think of someone tall, strong, and stylish. But sometimes the most ordinary looking person can be the most dangerous. The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur is a spy story where intelligence becomes more powerful than weapons. The story takes place in a hotel room. A young writer named Fowler is visiting a secret agent named Ossible. Fowler expects a glamorous spy, but Ossible is very different. He is fat, speaks with an accent, and looks quite ordinary. Fowler feels disappointed. Late at night, Ossible and Fowler return to Ossible's room. But when they enter, they find someone already there. A man with a gun is standing inside the room. The man is named Max. He is a secret agent working for the enemy. He has come to steal an important document from Ossible. The document contains secret information about missiles. Surprisingly, Ossible does not panic. He does not shout or attack. Instead, he starts talking calmly. Ossible tells Max that there is a balcony outside the window. A balcony is a small platform outside a room, usually with a railing. He says this balcony has caused trouble before. He even complains about the hotel management for not removing it. Suddenly, there is a knock at the door. Ossible says it must be the police. He had called them for protection. Max becomes nervous. He cannot be caught. So, he decides to escape through the balcony. Max opens the window and jumps out into the balcony. But there is a problem. There is no balcony. It was all a lie. Max falls to the ground and is gone. A waiter enters the room with a drink. Fowler realizes something important. There was no police and no balcony. Ossible had invented both stories to trick Max. Fowler expected a dramatic spy, but he saw something better, a spy who uses intelligence instead of violence. The story teaches that quick thinking and presence of mind are more powerful than physical strength. Ossible never touched the gun. He never raised his voice. He simply used his mind. And sometimes that is the most powerful weapon of all. Read slowly, think deeply. This is Quiet Recall.